Hi, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. I got a nice card from a.k.a. Yay! So let's thank her for sending it. And Kevin, I don't look like the pumpkin, okay? This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Excuse me. I'll hold this up for reference because a lot of people, they like something in Uncle Al's hand. I'm getting tired and old, Uncle Al. I'm just an old dinosaur. Yeah, I know. Okay, because we have a few people that weren't on air, like Wayne, because he's got schooling. Okay. Check out Wayne's channel. Please check out these fine people's channel. Okay, because problem is, I just found out I have about 5 people that YouTube I lost total contact because remember last week we had the blackouts. And these people right here. Hope you can see that. I'll hold that for a second. I'll put this over here. Okay, please check out their channel. I'm really worried about Wasteland Prepping. We haven't heard anything from him. May lose the phone, maybe he's dead, I don't know. Okay. And then we get these people right here. Now, some of these people, I don't know what the heck's going on with YouTube, because I know Louise is all right, Ryan's all right, prepared veterans, the preparedness veterans all right, Kansas Prepper. I don't know, because if you were on Horizon as a carrier, they were acting hinky because they got hacked. And these are all my ration people, and I got years gone by as the original ration. Hubble's cat, don't want to forget him. I carried a lot of people. We don't want to talk about that. Please check out Red Dawn Non NACP. Please check her out. Also, again, please make sure you help support these people. Cheryl Hirsch, DOY Fund, and a.k.a. Go check out their videos. Really good. They work really hard. They're in a cruddy situation. I'm trying my best, but Uncle Alan's old and tired and can't move around that quick. And a lot of people think, Uncle Alan's rich. No, I'm well off. I'm broke. Not poor. Poor mindset is a bad habit. Uncle Alan broke away from that a long time ago. And everybody make sure to check out Corsair's trainer and Galvin, GM Survival, and Happy Prepper. Congratulations. He hit, I think, 151. Let's get him up to 250. And then Becky Stiles. Thank you, Becky, for sending Survival Mom to Cheryl Hirsch. That's really good. Yeah, remember, you can't trust the government, and sometimes your friends and family, they're kind of hecky. So what do you got to do to help out your fellow preppers? Now, right now, I know Will's having a little difficulty. So if you want to send him some work or buy something from his store, or just stop on by tomorrow. Say hello. He'll have something up. But stop on by, say hello, donate a little cash, price of a coffee, will help Will out. Okay? He's our friend. And if you do, again, if you do your setup right, Uncle Alan doesn't get mad, Uncle Alan doesn't go crazy. Because a lot of you guys goofed up on your setup. And Uncle Alan's still at 840. I'm trying to get 1,000 again. I almost made it last year, But that was a year and a half ago when they took away 500 of my supporters. Okay, and then we gotta go over these guys. Make sure you check them out. Say hello. And check out Detroit Prepping. Now, I'll bring it up. Some of these people on here, these people, for one reason or another, got I don't pick them up. And this is like Pennsylvania Prepper. Okay, for 1 month, I haven't got any of her videos. Asymmetrical Preparedness. 3 weeks, I was wondering what the hell was going on. And then we have her Mary, another 3-week person. No videos. So I'm playing catch up. And Smoky Rochelle Bushcraft only lost about a 1 week. And Urban Grandpa Prepper about 1 week. Then I lost all contact because blackout, other stuff. I go through about 274 channels and I check out their videos. This is added work for me. Really fun. Now I finished with her Mary. I might have 1 or 2 videos to backtrack and check. But everybody else I have to double check, which makes my life a living hell. Okay? And once again, I don't look like this. I feel like it, but I don't look like it. I don't think so. I think you do look like it. No. Okay. Now, I'm alive, Urban Grandpa Prepper. Still alive, still here. And yes, Mary, I did get 1 out of a week's worth of videos here, finally. Totally nothing from Smoky Rochelle Bushcraft for a whole week. I wonder what happened. Asymmetrical Prepper, totally for 3 weeks. 3 weeks. I'm like, car accident, something, I don't know. But I'm still catching up, and with Pennsylvania Prepper, I will catch up. I'm stubborn, I'm mean. Okay, these are simple updates. Now, let's see. I'm still doing research on my money. That's a free series I'm teaching people. That's a little hard because we got a little problem with people teaching what they don't know, which is called the Dunninger-Kruger effect. They believe in something. Like, oh, I'm an expert. I can teach this. No, you're not. You're an idiot. And everybody's worried about this and that. I'm just tired and I got to do a lot of things. And I got Plan H, which a lot of people ask me, what the heck is about that? And I told them that's my backup plan because I'm living Plan G. You know, a lot of people don't understand that. I lost 8 girlfriends. I lost 2 houses within 5 years period. Wildfire, flood, you name it. Okay? I lived through Stockton for 2.5 years. That was fun at the height of the recession. And what did Democrats do? Oh, they let go of prisoners. Oh, that's not a problem. We have all these homelessness. And I had San Francisco drop more homeless. One time we had a bigger tent city than LA. Okay? And a lot of people complain, Reed and Steve, oh, it isn't that bad. Well, I disagree with you. Okay? Because Uncle nice and he's not going to curse like hell. But Uncle used to parfait with RKO Marines, Special Forces, and drunken Marines. Yeah, that was my younger days. I don't do things like that anymore. Okay, kids, I gotta keep this short. Right? Please check out all those channels. Check your channels too, because between the California Blackout and the hacking caused to several carriers, like Horizon and a few others on the East Coast and the Midwest, you may have lost a few. I only counted 5 out of my group. Totally lost them. So please double check it. I'll catch you later, kids. Next time. Bye.